Those who want to be successful in Brahmacharya and Sex Transmutation are highly recommended to watch this video till the end. They need to remember two things. First, nobody wants to be sick, but sickness comes automatically due to some reason. Similarly, health does not come automatically. You need to achieve and maintain health. Secondly, a person automatically gets caught by bad habits due to ignorance, but to imbibe good habits, we need willpower and patience. We hope that you will implement all the tips advised in this video. All the tips told in this video are based on this line. Community is fasting with silence to achieve the test of meditation. We will repeat this line at the end of this video. We hope after remembering this line, you will be able to follow all the tips. Number 1. Avoid test. Eat to live but not live to eat. Experts say that the person can never control his sexual urges who does not have control over his test. After extensive research, it is revealed that the nerve cells of a person eating for test functions as a sensor that gives a signal to the brain, and they become centralized to give test to the person. Due to this reason, the brain temporarily leaves its normal function and gets focused to give test to the person. When a person eats only for the test, his brain gets affected by test addiction. He would not like to eat a simple diet. He cannot survive without spicy food. Test addiction is a mental weakness and it is not good for sex transmutation. Due to mental weakness, an individual keeps on relapsing on the path of Brahmacharya. Keeping this logical truth in mind, get rid of the test addiction and come out of this weakness. Always have simple, eupeptic, nutritive and fresh food. Number 2. Fasting. As servicing is necessary for a vehicle, fasting acts as a servicing of the body. Various hormones get released in the body due to mental stress, overthinking and anger. These hormones generate poison in the body, which contaminates the blood and disturbs brain function. As a result, the person starts suffering from migraines. The best and effective way to clean out this poison is fasting. But remember, if you regularly suffer from headaches, then fast as per your capacity. According to the experts and Indian scriptures, a healthy person should fast once a week, or else once in a fortnight, or else once in a month. Lukewarm water acts like nectar for the body during fasting. It decontaminates the body from poison and revitalizes the body. Japanese cell biologist Yoshinori Osumi has researched fasting. He is a specialist in autophagy and has been awarded Nobel Prize in medicine. According to him, a person should fast at least 20 days a year. It is observed that after 10 to 12 hours of fasting, the body's energy gets used up, and after that, the body system starts eating cancer cells. This is a new discovery in the field of cancer treatment. We can imagine the extent to which the body gets purified after fasting. Pure body creates pure mind, and pure mind helps in Brahmacharya and sex transmutation, because there is a firm relation between psychology and celibacy. Number 3. Practice of silence. Our speech is possible due to the life energy present in our body. You must have seen the person talking less and slowly after a long sickness. This is because the energy level is down at that time. It takes time to get energy level normal. Life energy is lost to the same extent if a person speaks too much and loudly. So speak as per your necessity and remain silent at other times. It is better to practice silence for some hours in a day and plan for that beforehand. The practice of silence conserves life energy, which can be redirected for sex transmutation. This can be achieved using your thought power. During the silence hours, life energy gets redirected as per your thought, according to what you think. Here this life energy is known as vital force or prana shakti according to Ayurveda. During observation of silence, thought power works as a propelling force and utilizes vital force or prana shakti as per your thought. So generate such thoughts only for successful sex transmutation and brahmacharya. Take the benefit of the power of silence. Speak less, speak slowly, and speak as per the requirement. Number 4. Practice more and more meditation. We always give important information and tips regarding meditation through our videos just to encourage meditation in our daily schedule. There are a lot of videos based on meditation. You must watch and learn tips on how to practice proper meditation to get more and more benefits. In this video, we want to tell you that you should meditate daily for half an hour before sunrise. You can gradually increase the duration. Meditation is the charioteer for sex transmutation and brahmacharya because meditation is such a state which normalizes blood pressure, pulse rate and ECG, which means electrocardiography of the heart. In this state, as you think, so shall you become. Thought power works tremendously in this state. You can never deviate from brahmacharya if you utilize this thought power during a meditative state. Number 5. Community, help and discussion. People practicing sex transmutation and brahmacharya should befriend and form a community and team to share their thoughts, respect each other and share the knowledge and help each other. Being in a team would always keep your moral high for brahmacharya and sex transmutation. It's our endeavor and suggestion to visit www.manthanhub.com and share your thoughts on brahmacharya articles. You can join our Telegram community. Also, if you are interested, you can join our private and exclusive premium Telegram group. Respective links are given in the description. This endeavor would facilitate a cohesive community and team. It will always be encouraging towards achieving life goals. Remember this line to implement all the tips in your life. Community is fasting with silence to achieve the test of meditation. Green colored text denote all the tips in this video.